Yo, what's good? It's Colton. I'm back. You're probably wondering, where's Hayden? Well, currently it is Wednesday night at 11:25, and tomorrow we were supposed to record. And me and Hayden, we had no idea what to record. He didn't know what he wanted to film. I didn't know what I wanted to film. But I thought of something. We haven't done any pranks on this channel, so I'm gonna prank him. So we went to the zoo for our last video, and he said this bird looked like him because of his hair, right? I don't know if I put that in the video, but I'm gonna insert a picture of the bird right here. So that bird has a quiff, like the hair that sticks up, you know? And Hayden's hair sticks up, you know? What we're gonna do, well, technically tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we're going to Walmart right now. I'm going to buy probably like 10,000 pieces of printer paper. Tomorrow he has a bunch of demos to do for his job. He has a demo at 1 and then a demo at 5, and they all last about an hour. So he's probably gonna come home in between them. What we're gonna do, go to his house at like 1 o'clock, and by then when I go to his house, I will have all of the pieces of paper printed out of the bird, and I am going to stick them on his walls, completely on his walls, where you're not gonna see any of his wall. He's currently in the process of moving, so he's gonna get pretty mad. We're just gonna see how it plays out. Right now, we're gonna go to Walmart, get all the stuff, and yeah, I'm sorry, Hayden, you're not gonna expect it. See you when we get to Walmart. I didn't think paper was so damn heavy. I had to go back and buy tape because I'm dumb and forgot that I have to stick these up with tape, and I don't have any. Now, I'm gonna go home, print off like 1,500 pieces of paper, and get them ready for tomorrow. So this is causing me more pain than him. I kind of screwed myself, but it's okay. His reaction is gonna be funny, and he's gonna hate me. I will see you guys in the morning. Goodbye. It is the next day, and I'm in his room. So we had a close call. So we're waiting to come here so we wouldn't pass him on the way. So we come around, we pull up right as he's leaving, and I get out of my car, I get all my stuff, and he pulls back up to his house. And I had my book bag with my tripod, I had my camera in my hand.
I thought we were caught red-handed.
I thought I was caught red-handed. Yeah, I have Nick to help me too, because this is gonna take a while. So he gets out of his car and he's like, "What are you doing here?" I was like, "Oh, I had to go ask your mom a question." He's like, "Oh, okay." Didn't expect anything, thinking it was just okay. But Hayden, this is what's happening really. I didn't have to ask your mom a question. Well, I technically did. And what I told her to do, after like an hour or so, I said, text you and say, "You need to come home straight after your demo. We have to talk." So I planned this perfectly. So cue the montage of us fucking destroying this room.
Covering his walls.
Yeah. One hour later, and we finally finished it. I'm gonna show you the product in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. we did a good job.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, he's gonna love this. I love how some of them are just upside down.
I know.
And then there's red.
Alright guys, we finished. I got the camera 1 right here and camera 2 over here. So I can get 2 different angles for when he comes in. He should be coming home in like next like 20 minutes. I'm ready. Guys, he just got home. We turned the lights off. And now we're hiding. I gotta go start the second camera. Second angle.
Fuck?
Turn the lights on.
Do to my room.
Birds.
Why?
You remember how at the zoo you said that bird looked like you?
No, I said it looked like Topekans with freaking
That's your hair.
with freaking.
Your mom agreed.
Dude, what the hell?
Say hi.
Oh my.
Say hi.
Oh my. What's up, guys? Dude, no, I said it looks like a freaking Topeka dude that gets the freaking perms, bro.
Oh, shit.
It looks like a Topeka boy with a perm.
Look, all that wall up
Well, there's
there.
about
Look.
600 birds on the wall.
Look, oh, close your door.
How many did you freaking? This is absurd. Like absurd. So you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It took like an hour. So you know last night when you asked me what I was doing?
Yeah.
I was going to Walmart to get printer paper.
That's
And
what
I-
you did?
Yeah, I recorded all of it.
Oh
I have
my
it edited
God.
on my computer. And you know when you came to my house this morning
Yeah.
to get your thing?
Yeah.
The stack of all these birds. Camera died.
Jeez.
Well, where was I at?
Stack all the birds.
Yeah,
Okay, the stack of the birds were
Yeah.
on the table, and I was scared that you saw them.
No, I didn't see him.
And
Oh
you
my
know when
God.
we pulled up earlier and you were
Yes.
here?
Yeah, we pulled
Yes.
up. We literally, as soon as you turned right, we pulled right up.
Really?
Yeah, and then
Like,
I had.
we were like, that
I
is
didn't even
perfect.
notice you.
Yeah, we were like, that is perfect timing. And then we heard your exhaust coming back. We're like, shoot, 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 shoot.
Yeah, bro, I left over here, so I had to come back and pick it up. And then I saw you guys here, and you were like, you had to ask my mom a question. So I was just like, okay.
Did your mom text you and say? She didn't text you and say you need to come home. We have to talk.
Didn't?
What? Well, yeah. This is the video.
Definitely not.
We had nothing to record. You know what's
So
funny?
you did this. This is what you decided to do.
Yeah. Hey, you wanna know what's funny?
What?
I'm not helping you take this down.
Fuck, you aren't. How'd you get this done in an hour?
Oh, bro.
We went
We
speed
are
racer,
pro
bro.
paintball makers now, I tell you what. Just one little gust and the whole wall flies. Oh my God.
Do it again. Keep doing it.
You said I gotta just get them all off the wall like this. It's not working.
It didn't work.
A tornado.
It got like a quarter of the birds off.
This isn't working.
No, keep doing it. It was working.
Oh my God. It kind of was working. I think one at a time is
I'm dying.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do with all this afterwards?
Recycle it.
Yeah. Gotta be kind to the environment.
Oh, you wanted to see something funny?
You guys really
You see how some of them are like that color?
Yes.
And like the ones over there are like red and yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, my printer started fucking up. And then I ran out of ink, otherwise I would have printed more. But yeah, this is 1,000 pieces of paper. Make it rain.
This is so bad.
Hey, it worked.
Fuck down, you
Scotch tape, bro. Off-brand Scotch tape for the web.
Back. These were 99 cents at Walmart. Here.
This is booty.
I'll help you. Here you go. He's gonna come out. He's gonna come out with a fucking flamethrower next and start burning it all. Alright, guys.
What's up?
That's it.
Hey, this man's making me lay here on all these goddamn papers that he put up all over my freaking room.
Bro, it looks like your hair.
Yeah. Does it?
Did you
Dude,
enjoy
this
this?
looks like a Topeka with a perm. A Topeka male with a perm.
So
Not
money.
me.
Birdie, birdie. Alright, guys, that is it for this video.
So much
If you guys did enjoy, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe,
Hit that bell so you never miss a video.
Yes, sir. Hayden, I'm sorry. We will see you guys on.
Oh, when, huh? When? Tell him.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love